The Eero mesh router uses LED light colors to communicate its current status. Understanding these light indicators is crucial for diagnosing connection issues. A solid blue light indicates that your Eero device is in pairing or setup mode. This means the device is actively trying to connect to your network and complete its initial configuration. A pulsing blue light means the device is broadcasting and ready for setup through the Eero mobile app. This is the state you'll see when first powering on a new Eero device. Under normal circumstances, your Eero device should progress through 3 distinct light states. It starts with blue during setup, transitions to white when successfully connected, and shows red only if there's an error or disconnection. The stuck blue light problem occurs when your Eero device cannot complete the setup process or establish a proper network connection. Instead of progressing to the white connected state, it remains stuck on blue indefinitely. This LED color reference chart shows exactly what each light color means on your Eero device. As you can see, the solid blue light specifically indicates that the Eero app is connected and setting up the device. Despite firmware updates and improvements made through 2024 and 2025, the blue light issue remains one of the most common problems Eero users encounter. This persistence is due to the increasing complexity of home networks and the growing number of connected devices that can interfere with the setup process. When your Eero is stuck on blue light, start with the simplest solution, power cycling. This method has about a 60% success rate according to user reports. If power cycling doesn't work, try a factory reset. This method has an 80% success rate for persistent blue light issues. You'll need to locate the reset button on the back of your Eero device. Next, check your network infrastructure. Verify that your ISP modem is working properly. Test your Ethernet cable connections and ensure your internet service is active. For advanced troubleshooting, try reinstalling the Eero app and clearing its cache. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Also, position your Eero away from interference sources and ensure proper ventilation. If all else fails, contact your internet service provider. They can verify service status, restart your modem remotely, and confirm there are no outages in your area. This final step resolves most remaining connectivity issues. Remember these success rates. Power cycling works 60% of the time, factory reset succeeds 80% of the time, and professional support resolves 96% of cases. Start simple and work your way up through these troubleshooting steps.